Now we are going to look at exact function. Exact function helps to compare two texts which are in different cells. If both the texts are same, then you will get true result. If both the texts are not matching, then you will get false results. Also, this function is a case sensitive. Only if both the texts are matching exactly, then you will get a true results. Here I have list of product in column A and also have another list of product in column B. Now I want to compare both the product and also I want to check both are same. To do that, let me use exact function. Equal exact. So if you refer the formula references, here we have two references, text 1 and text 2. Formula references always important, which clearly tells what exactly you need to update or select for the function. So let me choose the first text from column A and choosing the second text from the column B. Enter. So now here if you compare the results, so we are getting false results. So the reason is in column A I have smart TV and in column B I have smart TVs. So that is the reason for getting the false results. So let me copy paste this for the other products. Here if you see the second one, tablets, so the result is true because both are matching. On the third product, so laptop, but still we are getting the false results. The main reason is, as I mentioned, this is a case sensitive. Here the L is capital letter and in column B the L is small letter. So because of that we are getting false results. So monitor, again we are getting true, both are matching, and mobile, again it's a true result because both are matching, and for PC it's false because there is a space in between P and C. In case if you don't want to apply case sensitive for this formula, then there is another way to do it. So that will not apply case sensitive, that will only compare the text. So there is no formula, just press equal, select the first text and then again press the equal and choose the second text. Enter. This will also compare two text, but this is not case sensitive like exact match. So here if you see the first result, it's false because here we have smart TV and here we have smart TVs. So we have S here, so because of that we are getting false result. And the second one is same, so we are getting true. And third one if you see, so here we got false for using exact function, but here we are getting true. So exact function is a case sensitive, but this one is not case sensitive. So because of that we are getting true results. So rest all, it's almost same, we are getting true. Also for PC we are getting false because there is a space. Hope you understood. Let's move to the next function.